Look at this, guys. It's very cute, isn't it? Very cute. Oh, that is very cute. We are here in Direct Factory Outlet here in Isiden. There. Welcome to the DFO. Michael Kors, Coach, welcome. Forla. No, okay. I'm going here. Let's see. Ta-da! Let's see how much. Hi. Thank you. Yeah. Look at this, guys. It's very cute, isn't it? This is very nice. We are here in Defo in Isiden. So this is the biggest Defo, guys, here in Melbourne. So it's my OTD for today's video. Uh, This is clothing area. Oh, it's opening soon. So that's the sandals. No coffee for you. So that is the map. You going here?
I don't know what you do. You do whatever you do.
Oh, we are going here. Oakley. This the one there. And this is Skechers. I am going here. That is pretty. $29. Wow. This is on sale. 69. That is pretty. There's a lot of bags here, guys. That's pretty. $79. Guys, there's a lot of bags here. This is Geese store. It is very pretty. Oh, that is very cute. Look at this one. It is only 100. Kilikili bag. That is very pretty. Pretty. I'm going here, guys, in the Calvin Klein. Let's go here. Actually, I bought clothes here. Mailaway. I have jacket. So cute.